The Rapid Hawk Hybrid Series. Engineered with productivity and precision in mind, Elliott's assisted tube rolling system completes the job right the first time. The Hybrid Series Rapid Hawk is the first of its kind, offering the speed and productivity of a pneumatic motor with the precision and control of an electronically controlled system. Direct torque electric control measures torque and manages system functions regardless of fluctuations in the air supply. This allows you to roll to the target wall reduction each time, eliminating costly rework. The system starts, stops, and reverses automatically without any operator intervention, monitoring torque and providing consistently precise wall reductions every time. The Rapid Hawk's auto lubrication system increases tool life by providing expander lubrication exactly where it's needed, through the cage and directly to the rolls and mandrel. No messy cleanup. The Hybrid Series takes ergonomics and productivity to a new level with triggerless operation and auto cycling. The Rapid Hawk's articulated arm supports the weight and absorbs the torque of the rolling motor using a pneumatic counterbalance, allowing the operator to effortlessly move the motor into position. The Rapid Hawk's large radial reach increases productivity by allowing a large area of tubes to be rolled without readjusting the unit. Operators simply set torque with the easy-to-use control panel and start rolling. Increase productivity, tool life, and reduce cost with Elliott's Rapid Hawk assisted tube rolling system. Visit our website to learn more. Quality tube tools for an I-need-it-yesterday world.